Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pie diagram. We'll start by understanding its purpose, to show how different parts contribute to a total. First, gather your raw data and sort it into clear categories. Then, convert these raw figures into percentages. This crucial step ensures each segment accurately reflects its proportion of the whole, setting the foundation for a clear visual representation. Next, we calculate the angle for each segment. A complete circle always measures 360 degrees. To find the angle for each category, simply multiply its percentage by 360. For example, if a category is 25%, its angle will be 90 degrees. This step translates your proportional data into measurable segments for drawing. Now, let's draw the diagram. Begin by using a compass to draw a perfect circle of a reasonable size. Mark the exact center point, then draw a straight line from the center to the circle's edge. This is your first radius. Next, use a protractor to carefully measure and draw each calculated angle, starting from your initial radius. Draw a new radius for each segment. Finally, we focus on presentation. Clearly label each segment directly on the diagram with its category name and its corresponding percentage. Choose distinct colors or patterns for each slice to enhance visual clarity and make it easy to distinguish between categories. Conclude by adding a clear, descriptive title to your entire pie diagram, ensuring it effectively communicates your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.